Thunder. It'll be the Knicks off the tip. MP deciding where to go with it. And here's Brunson outside. MP with it. Now defended by MP. The three from MP. Sinks the triple.
MP testing out the extent of his range.
And they double up MP. And pushing it up here. Here is Oklahoma City. MP, no good. Pass to Hart. And the foul called on Cason Wallace.
Number 22.
That's his first foul.
Personal foul. First team foul.
MP outside. Now Anunoby. Good, and the assist goes to MP.
And what an assured player. Anunoby believes in his ability to shoot the ball off the catch.
Hard bounce pass. Towns. And Towns throws it down.
Ooh, rising and punching it on the young fella. You know he loves having that much of a height advantage. Best chance to get yourself on the highlight reel.
And so MP will bring it up for the New York Knicks. Hart, no good. Here's MP. Got it. And he's now 3 for 5 from the field.
Oh, nice jumper from MP there. The D is going to have to do a lot better job if they want to try and contain it.
Back to Brunson. Anunoby has the open look. Cans it from downtown. Anunoby's got a couple of threes now in the first for the Knicks. And here's it.
And an eye for an eye. Both teams working to stretch the floor.
This is today's NBA. Hey, we see this kind of exchange more often than not.
To the paint. Lets it fly. And no good. Trying to use the glass. Kicks it out to MP. Gets it to go from beyond the arc. MP's got 14 points for the game.
MP works to refine his shooting mechanics every day, and it shows up in his game.
And this is the game plan for him. He's a big part of their floor spacing.
Yeah, and you got to know where he is at all times, especially when he's roaming around the perimeter ready to fire.
Now, here's MP. He's got 14. For 3, Holmgren. Nailed from three-point land.
And I love the competitive edge Holmgren plays with, coming right back with his own triple.
And the foul called on MP. That is his first foul of the game. And Brunson has it in the corner. Tried to answer back, but that three is off the mark. And a wide open look for MP. And a great assist by Gilgeous-Alexander as that one goes in.
MP is a cool customer from 3. Great form from the up-and-coming player.
Hart, no good. The Thunder lead by 6. MP, that's for 2. And 1:01 left in the first quarter. On the wing, MP. And again, it's Oklahoma City with a 3.
This gives you an idea of MP's potential. It shows the type of scorer he can become.
Kicks it out to MP. No good. They had a chance to end the run there. MP looking around. A chance there to push it to double digits, but it's off the mark. Pass to Brunson. On the wing, MP. Hits it from three-point range.
If MP buries those catch-and-shoot chances, he'll have a very long career in this league.
And there's the bucket from MP. Knicks trailed by 9. Now, MP. And another 3 for New York.
I'll tell you what, I'm not sure these guys can keep this up.
There will be some letdown at some point, but these teams, they are built to score, so...
Oh, and he just knocked down the buzzer beater.
Ringing the bell That's the way to close a quarter.
He knew exactly how he wanted.
20.
And glad to have you with us, folks. Second quarter of basketball. This game has not exactly been neck and neck, but plenty of time left in this one. Hey, guys, what do you think about the offensive approach we've seen so far for the Thunder?
They've really been dialed in from deep. This is a team that has a ton of confidence in their outside shooting ability.
New York moving it around. Brunson with a clean look. And again, it's a New York three.
How about dueling from long range, just going at each other?
Take that, he says. I see your three, and I'll raise you another three. Horrible mistake right there. You hate to see unforced turnovers like that.
Knicks trailed by 9. Hart outside. Here's Anunoby. A three-pointer off the mark.
And even without that three ball dropping for him, the defense should have done more on that last play.
And here's MP for 3. And the rebound goes to the Thunder. They've held a 12-point lead earlier. And they double up MP to the left side wing. Pulls up on the wing. That's good on the jump shot. MP's got 5 points in the quarter. And the foul called on MP. That's foul number 2 for him.
First team foul.
MP outside. Brunson with it. Now SGA defending. Back to Anunoby. 6 on the shot clock. Down low. Here's MP. MP gets the job done inside.
Great to see MP look for his shot, especially when he's near the hoop.
A 3 from MP.
And the great shooters know when they've got enough opening to go for the three. I didn't think it was a bad choice on that possession.
The Thunder leading by 9. Shoots from the baseline. Good work there as it goes. MP's got 33 points.
You know, MP starting to look good there from the mid-range.
Here's Brunson. And plenty of contact on the shot. So 2 free throws coming up.
And I like the fact that the defense is looking to protect the rim at all costs.
And both free throws good for Brunson.
And what an advantage. You really feel like you can always trust him when he's at the line.
And a deep 3 from MP. It's rebounded by New York. And they blow the whistle for a foul. He was trying to disrupt the fast break opportunity.
And now only 1 away from being in the penalty.
Here in the second quarter, we've played a little over 2.5 minutes now. New York, no good that time either. The 3 from MP. MP grabs the miss. And here's MP. He'll bring it up for the New York Knicks. 8-point game. Back to Brunson. It's Brunson at point-blank range.
And Brunson recognizes how to execute inside. The D must be more physical with him.
And they double up MP. Fires the 3. Karl Anthony Towns with the rebound. Knicks trailed by 6. And Hart throws it down.
And those plays can make a difference in a game like this.
Well, you know it's going to fire up, Greg, everybody on that bench.
And you can feel the jolt of energy that he sent through his team. That is a huge boost in a tight game like this.
And it's crucial that Anunoby knocks down that jumper, showing how skilled he is from the perimeter.
Back to MP. Holmgren outside. Pass to MP. And he can't answer back. The three-pointer offline. In the corner, it's MP. And Anunoby slams it in.
And that's not nearly the kind of defense that's going to prevent a player of his ability from scoring.
Got that one up quick. MP's got a couple of three-pointers in the second for the Thunder. To the middle. And the foul called on MP. That will get him his fourth foul of the game.
14 foul.
To the inside. Anunoby. Lead pass was put in just the right spot. And that's now 19 points for OG Anunoby.
Corner pocket, MP showing he can space the floor.
MP outside. And they double up MP. Back to Brunson. Brunson muscles through the contact.
And they keep hammering away at him inside, forcing the ball into the paint.
Pass to MP. Here's the three. And the Thunder another three.
And what a first half he's having from downtown. He has been locked and loaded since the moment he stepped on the floor.
And so it's MP making things happen for the Oklahoma City Thunder. He went on an aerial three-point display, drilling 4 long balls in just the 1 quarter alone. We come back right after this. Second half of basketball upon us. We may be in for an exciting finish based on how close of a game it's been so far. And again, it's Oklahoma City with a three.
And what kind of defense was that? You can't give up wide open threes like that. What are you doing?
Sweet move. Strong finish inside from MP.
That is a play that is beyond his years. MP takes the contact and still gets it to fall.
Kicks it out to MP. Again, the Thunder score.
Found some space to get off the mid-range, and he'll do damage from there if you let him.
Got that bucket in no time at all. MP's got 4 points in the quarter.
And that shows the skill level of MP. The pull-up is a tough shot to master.
Here's MP. And again, it's Oklahoma City.
You know, maybe save that fadeaway move for when he really needs it.
Back to MP. Oh, MP sinks the triple.
MP is a cool customer from three. Great form from the up-and-coming player.
Jacks up a three. And it's MP with the rebound. Knicks trailed by 6. MP going right to the rim.
Now, this is what we want from MP. Night after night, an energetic performance on the offensive end.
From past the arc. And it's MP with the rebound.
And you don't want to give up that kind of look too often.
Anunoby in the corner. Some nice passing by New York here. Bangs home the trifecta. Now just a 1-point Thunder lead.
The adjustments they've made offensively, they're putting guys in a position now to succeed.
But it took them a little while to get there. Just goes to show as long as you persevere, you'll figure your way out.
Oh, just solid on the one-handed slam.
And guys, when it's a tight ball game like this, he's the guy they want with the ball. Well, we're into the third quarter, just over 2.5 minutes played. MP with it. He's picked up by Anunoby. And they double up MP. Pass to Holmgren. And again, no good by Oklahoma City. Now the Knicks with it. They're on a 14-4 run. Back to Anunoby. The kick out to Towns. And here is MP. And again, it's a New York three.
Oh, nice jumper from MP there. The D is going to have to do a lot better job if they want to try and contain it.
Back to MP. MP showing the range.
And an eye for an eye. Both teams working to stretch the floor.
This is today's NBA. Hey, we see this kind of exchange more often than not.
Anunoby, good.
Smart decision right there by MP, making the deep pay for leaving his teammate
There's 1:17 left in the third quarter. And Towns throws it down.
Oh, an aggressive move and fantastic finish.
Trying to send a message with that slam, I think. And here's MP for three. And again, it's Oklahoma City with a three.
And you can see he's found his rhythm here in the third quarter. You can just sense the uptick in confidence. Everything he puts up from long range seems to be going.
And I've been impressed with the unselfishness, but also getting guys the ball where they can do something with it.
His court vision has been on display in this one. He's doing a tremendous job just orchestrating the offense beautifully.
Personal foul. First team foul.
Here's Anunoby. No good on the triple. And Gilgeous-Alexander's got the ball here for the Oklahoma City Thunder. And here's MP for three. Sinks the three-pointer. And the Thunder lead by two.
No one there to contest, so he just drops it in like he's at the rec league.
Towns, no luck.
And this will be the last possession of the quarter if they're patient.
Yeah, it's all about clock management with these situations. Let's see how that plays out.
Oof, that is a tough shot.
MP has been leading the charge for the Oklahoma City Thunder. What an amazing quarter. There was absolutely no stopping him. 3/10 quarters behind us. One more to go. Thanks for being with us as we begin the fourth. Pass to MP. On the wing, Anunoby. Off target from outside. Here's MP. And there's another one for the Thunder.
You love how each side has risen to the challenge throughout this one.
Man, this has been a fun one, but look, who doesn't love a high-scoring game?
Three-pointer. It's good from long range.
And creating a little separation here, gaining some confidence.
Yeah, they've locked in during this stretch. If they keep it up, their lead will only continue to grow.
And not allowing the shooter even an inch of breathing room on that one.
I'm sure they'll think twice about shooting against him next time. He is pouring it in this quarter. Maybe double team him shoot at this point in time, triple team the dude.
Shot on the wing. And again, it's Oklahoma City.
Yeah, letting it rip. They're just having fun right now.
Man, their offense is clicking. Players, coaches, everybody, they are in sync.
A little over a minute of the fourth quarter gone right now. Here's Anunoby. And Anunoby slams it in.
Even though his team is lagging behind, he's playing like a winner. Too bad his attitude isn't spreading to the other guys.
And that was a little bit of a range check for him.
Yeah, he might have been feeling himself a little too much on that one. He can hit it, but not consistently.
I love the spirit he's shown tonight, particularly on the offensive end.
He's going to keep putting up shots regardless of the score. That's the kind of player he is.
Oh, pushing the action. Brunson always a threat in transition.
Holmgren wide open. Drills it from outside. And the Thunder lead by 9.
That's a guy you want taking shots, a quality offensive player.
MP outside. Missed on the 3. Knicks trailed by 9. Here is MP. Basket is good.
Well, I guess we could give him credit for not getting discouraged. They're still playing hard. He's doing his job out there.
MP. The 3 doesn't go. Brunson, left side. MP outside. Down he goes for 3.
What a gutsy bucket. MP showing a lot of poise at the right moment.
MP outside. the foul called on MP. That's it for him. He's fouled out of the game.
And that is a big loss for this team. This game's still in the balance, and he's someone they always want in there at crunch time.
MP outside. Brunson right side. MP. The three is off.
That is not the shot they needed there. You gotta work it around and get a better look.
From 20 feet out, and the shot will go down.
And that's a great piece of work to get to the hoop there. Just tore the D to shreds.
Buries the deep ball.
Complete confidence in the clutch. MP seizing the moment.
And he gets it to go.
Big moment. MP showing some savvy. What a bright future this young man has.
There's 53 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Cleared away by Hart.
Great contest by the defense, and he's unable to hit that tough fadeaway.
And you can't get a bigger bucket than that.
What a huge play coming through when it matters most.
From deep. A three-pointer. Good.
The real come at us, and we're coming right back at you.
Yeah, I love the competitive fire right there. You drain a triple on us, and I'm coming for my revenge. Just a textbook lead pass right there, putting it right where it needed to be.
And so they choose to intentionally foul. And he misses the first one. Boy, he wanted that one to fall.
MP trying to shoulder the weight here.
And that trip coming up empty, missing both.
It looks like he was a little tight on the line that time. Could have and should have closed it out.
It drops.
He's a tough fella to deal with when he gets below the free throw line.
They're going to prolong the game here with an intentional foul.
Honestly, just doing what they have to in order to get the basketball back.
Second one is good. Hitting both at the line, and it's a three-point game.
Those were pressure-packed free throws, and he looked as cool as he could be. So big to give them that three-point lead.
Hart outside to tie it up. And did the three. And they stop the clock as soon as they can with the intentional foul. And the first of two, no good, heartbreaker. And he does get the second one, and that gives them a 4-point cushion. New York takes timeout. 6 seconds left to play in the final quarter. What do you think we're going to see coming out of this timeout?
Trying to stay alive, they've got to work quickly.
Yeah, no time to waste. They basically have to execute things perfectly from here on out.
So a close game sees Oklahoma City taking this one. They didn't make it easy on themselves or their fans.